Dear students, Namaskar. Myself Madhu Sharma, teacher from GMS Harzori. Welcome to all of you in the digital initiative by Director School Education Jammu. Dear students, today my topic is a poem that is A Nation's Strength. This is the first poem of your 8th class English textbook. In this beautiful poem, R.W. Emerson reveals the secret of a nation's success. The success of a nation lies with the power of its men and women, not with the wealth. Dear students, the central idea of the poem was that in this short poem, he reveals the secret of a nation's success. The success of a nation lies with its manpower, that is, its people, and not with gold and jewels. After the central idea of the poem, now we will start the summary of the poem. Dear student, now we will move on to the summary of this poem. This is a very little poem consisting of only 2 stanzas, but it has a very deep message in it. The poet has revealed the secret that how we can make a nation strong. He is of the view that it's the people of a nation, not its wealth, gold, jewels, and other natural resources that make it strong. The people who make their nation strong are great. They are not selfish. They work for the prosperity of the nation. They fight for the truth and for the sake of the honor of their nation. They believe that whatever they do publicly or individually, their actions are the representatives of the character, honor, and respect of their nation. They do not do anything that can damage the image and reputation of their nation to make their nation great and strong. They don't need wealth and jewel. It is their power and determination that make it strong. We have a rich history of the nations who were small, but they had great people in them. And those people brought their nation to the heights of progress and prosperity. The last stanza of the poem is: Dear student, in the last stanza, the poet describes the characteristic of brave people. He says that these people do not sleep, they work while others sleep because they don't have time to waste. They are the daring people who face all the challenges and problems of life manfully. They are not cowards like others who step back from the challenges. They built the pillar of a nation very strong. They lay the foundation of their nation very deep, and then they lift the nation to the height of skies. Students, these are the great people who are the actual heroes of the world. If a nation has such people in it, then no one can stop this nation from making progress and making itself strong. Dear students, after knowing the summary of this poem, we will move towards the textual question of this poem. And the first question is: in the first stanza, the poet wonders about certain things. What are they? And the answer is: the poet is wondered about the highness and the strong foundation of nation pillars that resist the enemies boldly. Question number 2. What are the foundation of strong kingdom built on? And the answer is: the foundation of a strong kingdom are built on the shoulders of its patriotic and strong inhabitant. These brave people are the strong pillar of the kingdom. And the question number 3 is: what happens to a nation which depend on an army to keep it strong? Dear student, answer is: the blood turns the stone to rust, and the glory ends of the nation which depend on an army to keep it strong. After reading the question number 3, now we will move on to the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. When a nation become proud, what does God do? And the answer is: God struck the glory and brightness down to ashes at its feet of the nation which become proud. Question number 5. Do you think that wealth can make a nation great and strong? Why? And the answer is: no. Wealth can't make a nation great and strong, but it is brave and truthful people who suffer for country's sake to make its nation great and strong, because wealth can end, but spirit of honest, brave and truthful people can never end. Question number 6. What can the brave do? Dear student, the answer of this question is the brave can work to make others to sleep peacefully. They fight for the difficulties of nation to make it famous. In fact, they are the strong pillar of the nation. And the last question of the poem is explain the following lines. They build a nation pillar deep and lift them to sky. And the answer to these lines are these lines have been taken from the poem A Nation's Strength, written by R.W. Emerson. In these lines, the word they refers to the brave man. The poet says that these are the brave men who make the nation strong, keep them safe from enemies, so that they can fly and cheer joyous. With the end of the 7th question, our poems also ends here. Hope to see you soon with a new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.